back. Today I'd like to show you some 3D printed characters. The first character is Pusheen. Got orange Pusheen. As you can see, I love the orange color on it. It's nice and the next character that we have is a Pokemon. This is a pink Clefairy Pokemon that we have. I believe is a Cyndaquil. It's a green Cyndaquil. And the last Pokemon is of course Pikachu. It's a yellow Pikachu. One of the most popular characters in Pokemon. Well, thank you for these Pokemon and Pusheen 3D printed characters, Peter. Thanks so much, Peter. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please have a great day.